How to speed up slow Windows 10 laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on Taskbar. Right click on it and then go to Task Manager. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Task Manager, you'll find Startup and make sure the apps you don't use which has high impact, simply disable it. You can disable all the apps you don't use as it may have high startup impact on your device and is making your device slow. After that, you can simply refresh your device and you're good to go. This is how to speed up slow Windows 10 laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.